How to buy or sell crypto on Lbank P2P Trading. Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'll be showing you the ways to buy or sell crypto on Lbank. Now the peer-to-peer trading on Lbank allows users to buy or sell cryptocurrency directly with other users. Here is a step-by-step tutorial on how to buy or sell crypto on Lbank using their P2P trading features. First of all, you need to go and log in into your account. After you're logged in, on the main dashboard, find and select the P2P trading options. This might be under the trade or similar section. Next, what you have to do is you'll see a list of seller with various offer. Check the price, payment method and limit. Then you can also choose a seller that meets your requirement and click on their offer as well. Next, you need to enter the amount of cryptocurrency you want to buy or the amount of fiat you want to spend. Select your preferred payment method, either it's a bank account, PayPal, etc., and click on buy or place order to proceed on. After that, complete the payment section, that is pay the seller and mark as a pay button. Then you need to confirm that the seller will receive a receipt of the payment. Once the seller confirms the crypto, it will be released to the Lbank wallet. So by following these steps, you can successfully buy or sell crypto on Lbank exchange using the P2P feature. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.